We have the Hollywood Star Box for July-August 2026. The founder and developer of the box, Lauren Hirsch Williams, chose Elizabeth Taylor for this month's inspiration. You get a couple of cards with information on both sides. I don't want to give away all of these secrets. They're to describe Elizabeth Taylor, the way she looked at life, the way she presented herself, things that you can do to embrace that feeling. One of them, I don't want to give them all away. I'm going to give away the first one. Wear something beautiful for no reason. Ooh, I like that idea. This is the jewelry box. And put in the heart that they send each month, a stone heart, and a little rose. It's a cute little, I'm going to call it a travel case because I think that's what it is designed for, yet could also work very nicely just for jewelry storage. Plenty of spaces in there, zipper closure, a good size, a fabric-y faux suede covering, and it feels, unless you have an elephant sit on it, it feels crush-proof. I like things with bling, and this definitely has my attention. There is enough heft to this that I'm not sure I want to carry this around in my bag, yet for travel, it could come in handy. Hotel rooms don't always have close-up mirrors. Very true. And a certain someone likes the mirror. Oh yeah, check this out. Speaking of bling, how about a peacock? This is too stinking cute. This is, although something I'm not going to probably wear because that's not my style, yet it's a fun little item that is probably going to wind up, I don't know if we can see it or not, I'm pointing at it, the butterfly pin from a prior box now has competition from a peacock. And it's got enough weight that it's not going to fall off. This could go on a backpack for a little extra bling in your life. Show up for yourself with a little bling. I think it's precious. Speaking of bling and precious, there is a old-fashioned perfume atomizer, complete with the part where you give it a spritz from down there and it makes the spritz come out on the top. I think this is adorable. Even if I don't put real perfume in here, a little water and a couple drops of food coloring, this makes a nice piece of decor. Also included is the Eau de Toilette Spray Naturel Diamonds and Sapphires by Elizabeth Taylor. I'm leaving this with its plastic on because I know I'm not going to use this, yet it would go nicely in that perfume bottle that was included in the box. Yes, it was. Well thought out box. I know this is not going to be my vibe, so I'm going to save it to pass along down the road because gifting season is coming up quick. Yes, it is. And in case anyone is wondering, these scent notes for Diamonds and Sapphires. Top notes: melon, peach, freesia, lily of the valley, and galbanum. Apparently that is part of a herb family. The mid notes, rose, jasmine, ylang ylang, rhubarb, and warm spice, and the base notes of sandalwood, velvetier, amber, and musk. I think for $67 every other month, and that includes the shipping and all the cards, and a very nice box that can be reused for your own shipping, for a gift, or a great storage box. I'm calling this the Show Up For Yourself box. A little something different. A little something special. A little something to remind yourself that you are important. What do you think? Did you see something that you like? For the most part, I like everything in this box, with the exception of the perfume. And for the most part, I think this is our fourth box. I've liked the majority of 3 of them. Those are pretty good odds when you look at subscription boxes as a whole. Yeah, so I'm tickled pink with this one. They offer this box through July and August until it sells out. Once it sells out, it's gone. They do have on their shop other boxes that did not sell out. I think the price might be a little bit higher. And they do have some other things for sale on their website. I'd say check it out if you're interested. It's every other month. Let us know what you think. And remember to like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share with your friends, all that fun stuff. And we do hope to catch you again in another video. I want that fin. I think I would look good in the fin. We'll talk about that. You're probably getting the mirror. Oh yes, I want that mirror.